Happy Valentine's! We're going southbound because northbound is very traffic. Spontaneous naman niya mo ang laag. Makibaw sa mi mo to. So we don't have any reservation or yeah, actually we don't know where to go. So update na lang me later. Bye! Daddy!
Hello.
You okay?
I'm driving.
Asa mo mo doon? Thank you sa pa-bouquet earlier.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Don't like it. Bijibo igit. No, oy, BG only. BG.
Hi guys, so nausapang mo ang plano.
Hi.
Hello! So nausapang mong plano. Gamay kayo ang lugar dito. So nihapit na lang sa aming Jollibee and 7-Eleven for snacks for me, Baby G, and Daddy Donnie. Wait saan? So nanami sa car, gikan mig 7-Eleven. At may coffee for Daddy, milk for Baby G, and then I have a Coke float from Jollibee, and then Pokemon, yes. Wala nila gibutang og katong Happy Meal, katong Kiddie Meal na box. Panang sarap kay kumupalit og Kiddie Meal ni Baby G. Then burger for Daddy, and then siopaw for snacks, si Paris sa Coke float, and Baby G's milk.
Oh. Sorry, video ka dito.
Baby just woke up. Are you okay? Ano naman ka? Are you okay? Okay. Hilak siya, I think because bago pa siya bata, pag natukrag siya sa sakyanan, and then pag naog na mo na siya nakamata, nagibutang na yun siya sa iyang daddy sa car seat sa high chair. So nagsigaw siya observe, labi na kung okay na siya niya, and then mo na ito hilak na siya. Taray Naki.
Okay now? Why?
Chloe. Let's check, maybe our food is ready na. Kiss mommy, babe. Can you kiss mommy? Kira dugay. Thank you. Thank you. Fireworks at the back. Na dito sa Naga kay water sa toilahan nag waterworks something. Pati na kugnaw, that is not my angle. Let's try this. Fireworks. So let's look at the fireworks. What? That side also. Wala na la fireworks there that side. So bisag asa day na side day.
Same pag New Year ba?
Like should I? Oh, just like the New Year no kay left and right ang mga fireworks no? There. Happy Valentine's. Mwah.